This is actually the trick I use to get my over 1000 subscribers on this my lifestyle channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the easiest way that I was able to achieve my 1000 subscribers in less than 2 months. Yes, it's in 2 months, but you might also do this particular thing and get faster results. It depends. All channels cannot be the same, and you don't expect same results from each channel. On my main channel, on this channel you all are watching me from, in less than 2 months I was able to get over 6,000 subscribers, but it was simply because I posted shorts. So have you seen that each time I'm telling you that short is going to give you subscribers faster? It's actually working. I am a living testimony, and I've also had a lot of students that also apply the same process and get over 2,000 subs in less than a month. But that is not what we're going to be discussing. So I think if you need subs that urgently, post shorts. But if you know that you're going to be posting long form video afterwards, posting shorts is not really all that advisable. Most especially posting random shorts is going to affect your long form video, because one thing is, if you gather all those audience finish, they're not going to relate well with your long form video. But if you still post under short, they will come back. Yeah, so that is by the way. Now, how I was able to get my 1000 subscribers on this my beautiful lifestyle channel you all are seeing today is, first of all, I decided to know what is working out and what is not working out. That is number one secret. I'm going to be really honest with you guys right now. Now, after knowing what is working and what is not working out, if you check out on this my lifestyle channel, you will see that about 3 to 4 videos, that is, they actually talking about one particular thing. See, one thing here, you need to first of all check out a video growing your audience. A video growing your audience might just be a video on your channel with maybe only 200 views or maybe only 500 views. It depends. Now, that particular video growing your audience, that simply means that that kind of video drew your audience into your channel. That is, it drew subscribers to your channel. Now, what you simply need to do, or what I simply did on my channel, is try my best to recreate that kind of video. And recreating such kind of videos giving rooms for new subscribers to come into my channel. See, one thing you need to understand is, a particular video that you posted that actually bring in a lot of subscribers to your channel, it simply means that being able to create a video relating to that kind of topic, it might not necessarily mean be the same title and the same thumbnail. No, you can actually twist it around, but recreating such can actually bring in much more audience to your channel. And also, I'll be using example, another example also that I'll be using is this my main channel that you all are watching me from. If you look at the screen here, these 3 videos are my best performing videos, and if you check them out, they are all about the same title, and also they are all related. When I had this first ever viral video, this my first viral video, I know a lot of people that subscribe to my channel from this particular video. So what I said to myself back then is, oh, this video is growing my audience. That simply sends a signal that if I'm able to create such kind of videos, it's going to bring in a lot of audience more to my channel, and the current audience that I have, they're also going to relate well with that video. So that was the logic I started applying on this my lifestyle channel, and I started getting good results. And also, if you check out this my lifestyle channel, I don't really post shorts, and every single short that I'm posting, they are all related to my, that is, to my content. So this is me trying to tell you that you don't really need multi-viral videos. You don't even really need posting shorts for you to be able to get that subscribers, for you to be able to get real audience to your channel. You can just go ahead, pick out your niche. I believe you have your niche already. Just try your best to know what is working out and what is not working out. One thing is, I've been able to understand that any video relating to how much YouTube pay me, or maybe YouTube advice for like smaller channels, those kind of videos, even if I post it like more than 4 times in a month, my audience are going to relate, where they're going to definitely watch it. Yes. and that really helped me to grow subscribers. In fact, it was in 2 weeks that I even gathered more than 500 subscribers, and it was all because of these few videos you all are seeing here. Yes, and these few videos are also videos that gave me some subscribers in the past last in the past 1 month. So being able to know what is working out for your channel and what is not, it goes a long way. It's going to help you build your subscribers, it's going to help you build your views, it's going to help you build your watch hours. So if you're out there, just go ahead and practicalize this particular thing. There's this channel that I just come across this afternoon, which even made me shoot this video. This particular channel, I don't know if I still come across it again, I'll just drop it, a mama's recipe. If you check her videos, in fact, they are literally almost same title. They are literally almost the same title, and the video is doing well. The video is doing well. Also, there are a lot of bigger channels out there. This is their secret, this is their logic. Channels like Dan the Creator, channels like a lot of big YouTubers, these are what they do. If you're able to study their videos well, you'll be able to see this particular thing that I'm saying. So if you can apply it on your channel, you're going to get subscribers. You don't really need to post short, you don't really need to do sub for you to get your 1k subs. This is just barely my two months plus of being somehow consistent, not really all that consistent on this channel, that I'm able to get these results. If I can put in the amount of consistency that I put in on this my main channel to this my lifestyle channel, I'm going to achieve much more results faster. Yeah, so this is me trying to tell you that there is no magic. It's not like, oh, maybe Princess knows it all. No, all this thing boils down to research. I was able to, like, okay, and then mind you, I didn't just wake up and say, okay, these are what my core audience are going to like and are going to watch. No, I tried close to four, five different posting style, and I saw that about two dragged in a lot of people. So those two that dragged in a lot of people, I decided to recreate them, and I still saw that they still brought in much more audience. Then what did I do? I followed it up. And mind you, I don't just post only that, I also posted other videos, and they didn't really get all that views. But the minute I post relating to that same kind of video, it performs so well. So this is what you can actually do for you to build that subscriber count up. Okay, so thank you so much for watching as usual, and if you've not yet liked this video, please do well to like, drop me your comment, it's important, and also I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.